Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Easy Tutorials YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to create the animated mobile menu using HTML CSS and JavaScript. As you can see on my computer screen, here I have created one menu bar with some icons, and you can see if I click on any icon it will display the menu name also. Like if I click on the home icon it will display the name home. If I click on this heart icon it will display the name likes. If I click on search it is displaying search, and if I click on this user icon it will display profile. And you can see the color of the active menu is also changing, and whenever I click on any icon that menu will become active. So we will design this menu using HTML, CSS and very simple JavaScript. So let's start this video. Here in this folder I have added one index.html file and one style.css file. I have another folder called images. In this folder I have some SVG icons. You can find all these icons download link in the video description. Now let me open these code file with my code editor, which is Visual Studio Code. You can use any code editor. So this is the HTML file where I have added basic HTML structures, and this one is the CSS file, and I have added this link tag in the HTML file that will connect HTML and CSS file. Now we will add the code in the body tag. So here we will create one div with the class name container. Next we have to add the CSS for this container, so just add this class name here in the CSS file, and here we will add the CSS properties for this container. For this div we will change the background, so here I am adding the background color code. Then we will add display, align items and justify content center. After adding this, all the contents inside this div will be in the center of the web page. So after adding this CSS, let's come back to the folder and open this HTML file with any web browser. So now you can see this plain color on the complete web page. Let me close this browser and I will open the web page with the Visual Studio Code extension called Live Server, so that it will refresh the website automatically whenever we will add any changes in the code file. So you can see the same web page. Let me come back to the HTML file, and within this container we have to create one navbar. So let's add one div with the class name navbar. In this one we will add 4 links. So let's add a div with the class name link, and within this link there will be a text. So we will add the text in p tag. It is home. Let me duplicate this div which is link and change the text likes, search and profile. After adding this, let me come back to the web page again, and you can see home, likes, search and profile. It is in the center of the web page. Now let's come back and copy this class name navbar and write it here in the CSS file. For this navbar we will add the background, so the background will be white, and after that we will add some padding. Width for this div will be 500 pixel. Then we will add display will be flex and align items center. After that you can see these text in the same horizontal line, it is side by side. So let's come back and copy this navbar again, and in this navbar we have added the class name dot link. So write it here dot link. For this one we will add the display flex, and after that we will add align items center. Then we will add margin will be 0 and 10 pixel. There will be some padding also. Then border radius, cursor will be pointer, and width will be 80 pixel. After adding this, let's come back to the web page again, and here you can see home, likes, search and profile, and in all of these text we have some space. After that we have to add the icons in this link. So you can see in this folder I have added 4 different SVG icons. You can add SVG icons on your web page with different method. So let me come back to the HTML file, and here just above this text home we will add one img tag write the file path images slash home.svg. It is the file path, and save the changes and refresh the website. You can see the home icon on this web page. So this is the first method to add svg icons on your web page. But I will not use this method because in this method you cannot change the svg properties of the svg icon using css. So let's come back and here remove this one, and within this editor we will find the svg file. It is here, home.svg. So for this home.svg we have this code. Just copy this one. It is the svg code for the home icon, and paste it here in this HTML file just above this text home. Paste like this. After adding this, let's come back to the web page again, and you can see that icon is not visible here. It is because of the width. So let's come back to the CSS file, and here you can see we have added width 80 pixels. So let me comment this line, and now you can see this icon in this snap bar. Let's come back, and similarly we will add the other icon also. So let's open the another icon. It is hurt.svg. Copy this code, paste it here in this HTML file just above this text, which is likes. Now we will add the another icon, which is search.svg. Paste it here in this HTML file. Next we will copy the another icon, that is profile.svg. Copy and paste it here in this HTML file. After adding all the icons, let's open the web page again. You can see home, hurt, search and user icon on this web page, but the size of these icons is very large. So let's come back and come to the CSS file. Here we will copy this one, and after that write svg. Here we will add the width 30 pixel and height 25 pixel. The size for the icons has been reduced. Next we will add the CSS properties for the text, which is home, likes, search and profile. So let's come back, copy this one, and within this link we have added the text in p tag. So for this p we will add the font weight, then we will add margin from the left side. Right now all the texts are visible, so we have to hide the text, only icons will be visible. For that, here we will add display none, so the text will be hidden. You can see only icon. Now we can enable this width 80 pixel. 80 pixel is enough to display the icon. You can see the icon over here. Now we have to make the first icon active, and it will display the text also. So let's come back and come to the HTML file. In the first link, here it is, we will add another class name called active. Now we have to add the CSS for this active class. Paste it here in this CSS file, and before that we will add this navbar dot active. Here we will add the background color code. After that we will change the color. It will be text color of active menu. Then we will add the width. Width will be 140 pixel. We will increase the width so that it will display the icon and text also. After that, you can see this icon is visible and the background is large. So now we can display the text. Let's copy this one, then write dot links dot active, and in this one we have the p text. So here we will add display block, so it will be visible. You can see it is visible. Next we have to change the color of the icon. To change the icon's color, here we will add active class name dot active and svg. So for this svg we will change the fill and color code. Now we will add the same color code for the stroke of the svg icons. So here we will add svg space path, and in this one we will add stroke and the same color code. After adding this, again refresh the website and you can see the color for the icon has been changed. Now the first menu is looking active, but if I click on another one, nothing is happening. So we have to add the click event using JavaScript. Whenever we will click on the another icon, it will make the another menu active and previous menu will be disabled. So let's come back, and in this HTML file, just come down at the bottom just above this closing body tag. Here we will add script open and closing tag, and within this script we have to add the variable. So here we will add let links equal to document dot get elements by class name, and the class name is link. After adding this, we have to create a function that will remove the active class from all the link. So here we will create a function called remove active. So how it will remove the active class? For that we will add a for loop for link of links, link dot class list dot remove, and in this one we have to remove the class name called active. So write the class name active. So whenever we will call this function, it will remove the active class from all the links. Now we have to add the click function. For that we have to add again one for loop for link of links. In this one, here we will add link dot on click equal to function, and within this function first we have to call this function remove active. Write it here. Then we have to add the active class on the link where we have clicked. For that, here we will add this dot class list dot add. Write the class name active. That's it. After adding this, let's come back to the web page again, and if I click on another icon, you can see the another icon becomes active and the previous one will become disabled. So it is working. Now we have to add some transitions so this animation will look beautiful. So let's come back, and here in this CSS file, here we have added navbar.active. In this one we will add transition width 0.5 seconds. After adding this, again refresh the website, and if I click on another icon, you can see the width of the menu is changing with some animation. So finally we have created this beautiful animated mobile menu using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Please like and share this video, and also subscribe my channel Easy Tutorials to watch more videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video.